Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie and I'm from Sidney, Iowa. In 2017, I had the opportunity to graduate from Northwest Missouri State University with my bachelor's in therapeutic recreation, and I also had the opportunity to minor in gerontology. Later that year, I also had the opportunity to obtain my national certification by passing my exam. I am a certified therapeutic recreation specialist. Some of you may also know a CTRS as a recreation therapist because that's another common term for my position. I had the opportunity in 2017 to accept a position as the Director of Recreation Therapy for a brand new post-acute facility in Lincoln, Nebraska. I had the opportunity to work hands-on with our patients in implementing recreation therapy as well as the administration side, working with care plans, making policies for the department, and creating the recreation program completely from scratch. I was able to implement my own modalities that I wanted to implement into the care and the program for our post-acute rehab patients. Little after a year and a half, I decided I wanted to move a little closer to home. And so I accepted a position with Emmanuel. It's a nonprofit based out of Omaha that has several facilities, and the facility I'm at is Trinity Village. So I have the opportunity to work with and serve 70 residents total in both assisted living and independent living. I really enjoy my job. I get to meet a lot of people, and I have a great team as well. So I am pursuing my master's in healthcare administration because I have fell in love with the administration side of things. And eventually with Emmanuel, I would like to become an executive director. One of my personal goals for my master's program is to complete it. And then upon completing my master's program, I want to apply to Emmanuel's program that is called EDIT. It is an executive director in training. They provide you with training to be an executive director in pretty much any setting of a building that they may have. So people in this program get the chance to go from building to building and learn how to operate in assisted living, independent living, as well as skilled care, post-acute rehab, and adult day centers as well. So that's one of my personal goals after completing my master's degree. One thing that I have for a goal for this class is to learn the overall concept of managing a budget for a facility. So with my position, I've had the opportunity to manage my own budget. And with this class, I hope to gain the skills to master handling the finance part of operating a facility when it comes down to choosing what things we can implement, reimbursement rates, new things that we can get and how to budget for like capital requests, and to basically make kind of like a sheet to maintain that finance and that budget for the facility as well. One thing I'm most excited to learn about kind of goes along with my personal goal as well, just kind of learning the overall aspect of managing a budget for a facility that provides aging services to aging adults of the community. So I have a lot of math skills down. I think just applying those skills and learning healthcare finance versus like personal budgets or smaller budgets that are specific to one department is what I'm really looking forward to. Aside from working and being a full-time student as well, some different things that I like to do is hang out with my family. I also have a 10-month-old hound mix puppy that I like to play with and go on walks. And you can also find me hanging out with friends, going bowling, watching different movies, and just kind of spending time with loved ones when I'm not occupied with work or with school. I also enjoy going to concerts. Concerts is a big thing of mine. I actually work for Harrah's Stir Cove, and so I get to work in the VIP section for their concerts, get to see a lot of cool acts, and get paid to have fun. So that is a little bit about me and my goal and introduction for this class. I look forward to working with you all and learning together.